There's a new feature inside of Systeme.io, which is the file manager. So from your menu bar along the top, go to Assets and Files, and then you'll see the files that you've uploaded since you joined Systeme.io and started building with it. You can upload files, click on Upload File, and then drag the file you want to upload to that area, or you can click and upload from your File Explorer on your computer. Click on Upload, and there it is. When you click on it, it previews. You've got the choice to give details as it's showing, download the file, which is handy. Later time, if you need to download anything to use elsewhere, you can. You can rename it. A lot of mine have got no names for some reason, so you can rename it to find it and delete it. Those are the options. You've got a search feature. So let's, for example, I look for Clarion, search. Now anything with Clarion on it will show up. You can select a source. So you've got editor, community, a block preview, membership, marketplace and settings. You can select a file type. So you've got image, video, audio, font and document, and you simply search. You can sort by name, the size of the file, so the biggest to the smallest, and when it was created, and when you delete, you don't lose them from where you've posted them. So if you've got a web page, for example, full of images, they won't start disappearing when you delete them from here. This would just save you space. So it's got a nice search facility and search function. You've got filter options, you've got sorting, and the update is designed to simplify file management. It's been a highly requested feature, and it improves your overall experience. They're making small adjustments to it all the time to make it even more perfect. So if you have anything to suggest that may improve it in some way, use the suggest a feature link at the footer on their homepage, or the homepage of Systeme.io, and you can suggest a feature for it, and they'll implement for you if it's voted for enough. So that's how you use the new file manager inside Systeme.io.